iron bundle. Programmed with adaptive learning protocols, it begins systematic field trials. Its function depends on environmental mastery. It will not malfunction under pressure. It becomes fully operational iron bundle. This is not standard robotics as we understand it. Cooling cores generate temperatures approaching absolute zero, directional freezing arrays that create instant ice barriers. Proferal's slither wing emerges from a temporal rift, chittering with predatory intent and ancient hunger. Iron Bundle's sensors lock instantly, releasing a sub-zero beam that crystallizes the air itself into razor-sharp ice shards. Paradox Moth slams into Iron Bundle's chassis, claws screeching against reinforced plating, trying to tear through circuitry. Before it crashes motionless into permafrost, systems failing for a machine built for absolute zero tolerance, victory was already calculated. No synthetic enforcer, a frozen algorithm maintaining order in the glacial frontiers of tomorrow.